Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you today about how we are watering our cows. It's how a lot of folks water their livestock. But we're just hauling it with totes, and I want to show you how we have that all set up. I don't know if you've seen some of my past videos from a couple years ago. There was really no grass in here, and we put endophyte infested fescue here. We put Kentucky 31 because we couldn't get anything else to grow. The grass really looks nice this year. There's some goldenrod and stuff in it, but I mean, it's not perfect yet. It still has a long ways to go. But this grass is, there's double what was here before. So I'm really pleased with that. It was the liming video, if you remember that. We did put a load of lime on this property. Wow, that's a sharp little bull calf right there. Look at that guy. Man, is he nice. Got a bunch of yearling heifers here. 4 of them, we sold 4 of them. They're going to be leaving shortly after we get them back home. Get them back home here. We got to preg test them and make sure everybody's bred, and then we're gonna ship them out. We're going into the other side of Ohio someplace. Our water system, we have a solar pump. We did a video with it, with the solar pump, and it does very well. But we got snow coming here next week, and the solar pump is gonna freeze up on us. We're just hauling water. It's fairly cool. The cows are drinking about, yesterday they drank a tote and a half, so that'd be about 450 gallons. And there's still, I don't know, probably 50 gallons or so left in here. But we have a quick connect on our totes. The tote has the quick connect, and then you can also buy that screw-on piece for on there, but this quick connects really works well for us. Pick them up at your farm supply store. They just clamp on there, and I come down into a Y and then into the tanks. And the reason for having 2 tanks here is I didn't know if the tanks was going to keep up. However, with our high flow valve that we built, it keeps up fairly well. I bet it's putting out about, oh, maybe 3 gallons a minute. Now, if it was 95 degrees, I would be a little more concerned about it, but you know, being that it's cooler, they're not really drinking a ton. This tote here had this much in it this morning. They've drank down to here. I put the drone up. There's going to be some drone footage towards the end of the video that I'm going to take you up. We kind of have a unique way of filling these totes. What makes it special, I guess you can make anything special, but the way we do it, the way we fill these totes really streamlines things, because that's where your bottleneck is. Because I can just grab a tote, and I built these 2 trailers here earlier this year, and man, I'll tell you what, these are the best trailers a person could have. We use these trailers non-stop all the time. It's unbelievable how much we use them. Probably because our buggies have so much junk in them that can't fit anything else. We use the trailer, and all our trailer is a mobile home axle. We cut it down so it's about the width of a buggy. I didn't want it super wide. I think they were like 12 foot wide axles that we had. We cut them down. They're almost the width of the buggy. And then I had a feeder gate that I didn't use anymore, so I cut it in half, and I just built off of that. It was fairly simple. put them 2 trailers together, and oh heck, I'll bet you it didn't take, we put those trailers together in I think like 3 days, something like that. It didn't take much. Screws falling out here. We're gonna have to do something about that. Have a bolt on it, it'll be okay. But that's all there is to that. Now, I don't have a good latch system for on these trailers. I should have took the time and done a better job at that, but it works for now. I've got to loosen that up. I don't have, that's another thing I didn't put on these that I would have liked to have, is I would have liked to put hooks or welded pieces of chain on the side so I have something to grab a hold of with the ratchet straps. But there we go, we're hooked back up. I'm going to take this one home. I guess there's about 60 gallons of water in there. It just has homemade hinges on it. We built those hinges there, of course. I'm not sure we're going to buy any more hinges, just for the simple fact that they're so easy to build. That just needs to hold that up. That tote's not coming out of there. There's Buttons eating. Okay, I have another ear of corn. I'm going to try and give Buttons. She didn't take an ear of corn this morning. I don't know what her issue was. But let's see if she'll take one now. I have a whole bunch of sweet corn left over that we didn't eat. So I'm kind of spoiling the cows a little bit and trying to get them to come up to me a little more. So I only have 2 that really comes up to me. Here, Buttons, you want this? There you go, you're feeling better. She wouldn't take it this morning, would you? Okay, we're going to take that trailer home. I don't know if this video will come out before the other video that bringing the cows down or not, but he'll be in that neighborhood. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're just a good boy. Yes, you are. There, honey. This is our buddy turkey. Her name was Christmas. We were gonna have her for Christmas, but she's such a sweetheart. Huh, you're such a sweetheart. Everybody likes her. So we're just gonna keep her. We have a gobbler here someplace. I don't know where he's at. Oh, you like petted. Yes, here's a good turkey. So, if you got a good name for this turkey, let me know. She loves her wattle rubbed, huh? Don't you? Okay, let's put some water in this thing. So what I did was, instead of, I could install a valve in the tank. That would work just fine. But I installed this valve on top of just a piece of wafer board. I did it a number of years ago. is what truly makes this unique. You don't have to sit here and babysit the water tank. Stick that down in there. And then this here's a splash guard to keep it from all coming out. And we just go turn the frost-free hydrant on. Walker and I put in this past summer. And turn that on. Check this out. This here was a volunteer in one of my pots. Little petunia. But whenever that fills up, I don't have to sit here and babysit it. When it fills up, it will shut off and I'm good to go, and I can go do something else. I got a lot of phone calls to make today, so we'll do that. Hey guys, if you watched this far in the video, we really appreciate your support. If you would, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. And down below the video, you'll see a thanks button with a heart on it. If you click on that button, you can give us a tip if you feel we did a good job. So we'll see you on the next one. Have a great one.